Ensure the hydraulic lines are secured before we initiate the pressure test.
Copy that, Chief. Torque wrench set to specs now.
Gear up confirmed, flaps set 20.
Check. Climbing to cruise altitude, passing flight level 180.
Viper 1, cleared direct to the primary.
Direct primary, Viper 1. Systems check good.
I'm showing a slight anomaly on panel 7 there. Copy that. Let me run the diagnostic sequence again.
Maintain altitude, banked 30 degrees left.
Roger that. Initiating turn.
The starboard intake schematic looks clear.
Confirmed. Propulsion systems are nominal across the board.
Look here at the turbine stage. This is where we're seeing the most stress. We need to reinforce that housing during the upgrade. Structural integrity around the wing spar looks good according to the scan.
Confirmed. Propulsion components are showing optimal alignment, ready to sign off on pre-flight.
The schematics show a recurring issue with the number 3 engine pylon.
We need to cross-reference the maintenance logs against this diagram immediately. If we optimize the airflow regulator right here, we can significantly reduce the radar cross-section. And the integration with the engine intake baffles. Exactly, that should improve the thermal signature.
This intake design significantly reduces the radar cross-section.
And the thrust vectoring algorithms optimize fuel efficiency at altitude.
Look at the integration here. The heat signature reduction on the exhaust manifold is significantly improved.
Agreed. That modification should increase survivability rates by 10%.
Pay close attention to the rotational speed indicated here during disassembly.
The precise timing is essential for maintaining stealth profile.
The clearance here is minimal. They need to watch the torque specs closely during reassembly.
Agreed. The margin for error on the high-speed compressor is 0.
This structural support bolt absolutely cannot be removed until the hydraulic lines are fully depressurized.
Understood. I'll inform the maintenance team lead immediately.
Conduit clamps secured on Sector 3.
Hydraulics line 2 reconnected and torqued.
Verified. Stand by for systems check.
Apply torque to the hydraulic line connection.
Specified tension reached and confirmed.
Rotate the coupling 2 degrees starboard. 2 degrees starboard, confirmed. Holding position for lock test. Torque wrench engaged. Setting confirmed at 50 foot-pounds. Copy that. Conduit secure. W system calibration complete. All conduits secure.
Confirmed. Ready for final systems check.
I'm showing a slight variance on the frequency alignment.
Adjusting the trim pots now. Connection secure.
Alignment check complete on Sector Gamma. Readings confirmed. System stable.
Proceeding with final torque sequence.
Initiating sweep sequence for the EW system.
Radar cross-section readings stabilizing. Looking good.
Connection secured. Reading stabilizing now.
Confirmed. Initiating system recalibration sequence.
Monitor the frequency modulation closely during the cycle.
Conduit 5 secure. Systems check initiated. Reading stable.
Initiating power sequence to the navigation systems. Copy. Flight controls are active.
Ground crew, clear the area for engine start.
Ensure the connections are fully seated before we power up the auxiliary systems.
Copy that. Tightening the last conduit now. Torque wrench set. Securing Alpha 9er connector.
Connection verified. Moving to engine 2.
Verify the alignment on the port side landing gear connection.
Alignment confirmed. Torque to specifications.
Main housing bolts torqued to spec. Verified. Moving to the secondary couplings now.
Systems check on engine 3 is complete. Copy that.
Moving to the forward fuselage inspection panel.
Diagnostic shows a slight variance here.
Okay, I'm adjusting the coupling now. See if that stabilizes it.
Torquing the bolts on engine 4.
Ensure the connection on the starboard engine is secure.
Calibration sequence initiated, waiting for stabilization.
Diagnostic check complete. All systems nominal.
Applying final torque to engine mounts 3 and 4.
Mount 3 secure. Moving to 4.
We need to expedite this deployment. All ground crews report status.
Starboard fuel intake secure, ready for transfer.
Tie down confirmed secure on this side.
Copy that. Character C, finish securing that net.
Cargo net secure, we are green to go.
Back it up 20 feet, watch the wing. Hold position, connecting fuel line now. Systems check complete, we are green. All right, lift it steady, watch the clearance on the starboard side. Cargo bay secure, systems check complete, we are green for deployment.
System check complete. Weapons armed and ready.
Roger that, proceeding to waypoint Alpha. Initiating final systems check. Hydraulics to auxiliary. Confirmed, all green on my end, ready for engine start.
With the final checks complete, the massive engines spool up, demonstrating the sheer power of this feared bomber as it prepares for deployment.
Route the primary conduit through channel 7.
Okay, secure the connection point on the avionics bus.
Check the connections on the targeting system conduit. Verified, power levels are stable on this side. Avionics bay panel secure.
Targeting module 3 is online and calibrating.
Good. Power levels stable across the board.
Check the conduits on the targeting system interface.
Running diagnostics now. Everything looks good for munitions integration.
Avionics integration is complete on Station Charlie. Run the diagnostics and verify the targeting systems are online.
The B-52 Stratofortress's legacy is unmatched in military aviation history.
It truly defined strategic deterrence for decades.
When you look at the cockpit, you realize this aircraft defined strategic deterrence for decades.
And its lasting legacy is evident.
This aircraft, the Stratofortress, represents the enduring legacy of American air power. Its design truly pushed the boundaries of aviation.
The B-52 absolutely guaranteed strategic deterrence during the Cold War.
But at what cost? Its effectiveness is overstated given your pleasure. The B-52 defined strategic deterrence for decades. Its psychological impact was unmatched.
But we must. The B-52's lasting legacy is its unparalleled strategic reach.
Absolutely. It defined deterrence.
This is the AN/APQ-114 radar system, crucial for the bomber's long-range targeting capability.
This forward-looking radar was state-of-the-art. It allowed for precision targeting from extreme altitudes.
Truly remarkable technology for the era.
This forward-looking radar system was revolutionary, providing unparalleled long-range targeting capabilities for the Stratofortress.
This avionics suite ensures our strategic deterrence capability remains unmatched.
Precision targeting is essential for these long-duration flights.
All systems are showing green across the board.
Readings confirmed. The stealth coding integrity is holding steady.
This connection here is showing a slight variance.
Rerouting the diagnostic through the secondary port.
Fine-tuning the flight path now. Steadying the stick.
Maintaining current airspeed and monitoring fuel consumption.
Systems check is green. Mission parameters uploaded.
Confirmed. Standing by for engine start sequence. Flight controls check complete. Hydraulic systems normal. Roger that. Navigation systems aligned and operational. Ready for mission start.
Systems check complete. Requesting clearance.
Stand by for clearance. Ground crew, confirm fueling status.
Confirm navigation route uploaded. Check some matches.
Systems are green. Target acquisition sequence initiated. Ready for launch approval.
Hydraulics check, systems green.
Confirmed. Propulsion systems pre-check initiated.
Propulsion systems check. Bay 2.
Systems nominal. Green status confirmed.
Conduit connected. Initiating power sequence.
Conduit 7 is secure.
Confirmed continuity on circuits 4 through 9. Power check initiated.
Confirming the primary power conduit connection.
Connection secured. Verifying torque specifications now.
Status green on auxiliary systems integration. Double check the connection on the primary conduit. It's seated. Latch engaged. Diagnostics look good.
Conduits 5 and 6 are secure.
Verify the connection integrity on the primary bus.
Readings are nominal. System check complete.
Initiating compression. Watch the tolerances.
Pressure steady. Component seating properly.
Even decades after its introduction, the B-52 remains an unmatched strategic asset.
It takes a small army just to get her ready, but once airborne, this thing is unmatched.
That's why the pilots call it the undisputed king of the sky.
Check the hydraulics on the port side landing gear.
Reading green, but the pressure looks low.
Copy that. Let's run the diagnostic again.
All checks complete. Requesting permission to move to the runway.
Permission granted. Proceed with caution, the storm is intensifying.
Maintain altitude flight level 350. Airspeed holding steady.
Copy that. Monitoring fuel burn rate.